and welcome to the TFJJ. Now today is a special day again because I've been lent this Morgan three-wheeler. I'll tell you a few things about this car. It weighs just over 500 kilos, which is absolutely minuscule. It's got a 2-litre V-twin engine, which is right on the front, just down here, all polished and chromed up, and it's even got this little novelty danger hot sign on it, which is quite funky. It's got this one, standard it has 82 horsepower, this one's got 90. It's been remapped ever so slightly by Morgan. I love the colour, almost somewhere between turquoise and blue. It's got this beautiful leather, very, very bare interior. I love these gauges and dials here. They look straight out of a fighter plane. And you've got the start button in the middle there, which looks very cool as well. 5-speed manual gearbox, and the exhaust pipes are on the side. You get 2 of those, make some amazing pops and bangs. And of course, only one wheel at the back, which makes it quite skittish. We've just taken it out here to the countryside, got lovely views behind. Should be a fun day. I've got lucky with the weather, considering it's September. So very excited to drive it more and give you some more impressions on the car.